Hello everyone.
Hi.
It's Lydia.
And it's Alma.
And it's cold. Listen.
Okay, how did that get to a
I
song?
am alone at the
days.
crossroad. And I try to get my Afro right. You should have helped, but no. Now I'm done believing you. You don't know how my hair is feeling. I'm more than...
Shut up, man. Sorry, y'all. Well, that's what happens when you're too cold.
You're talking too much for my liking.
Yeah.
So hi guys and girls.
Hi.
It's your favorite YouTube duo here, and we are here to give you some winter hair care tips. Dun, 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 dun. So, tip number 1 is to shampoo less. Why? Because shampoo can strip your hair of oils and all that stuff that you need for once you actually need your greasiness to really shine through for you, okay? Not grease, but moisture and oil. So shampoo a lot less, condition a lot more. You can use a lot of natural conditioners at home because it is expensive, but things like mayonnaise or adding loads of stuff to your conditioner, so adding things like
Aloe vera juice, almond oil, castor oil, anything you like. Tip number 2, oil your scalp with a lot more light oils. So you have to do this to prevent dandruff. This will also prevent dryness of the scalp, and it will help your hair grow a lot more.
yay, things we all love.
You can use oils like
Argan oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, or jojoba oil, avocado oil. I got nothing.
Well, you can only stop just there.
Okay.
Tip number 3. Find you some good protective hairstyles. I'm gonna do one in a little bit. You don't have to have it for ages. It can only be like for a month or 2 months and then just take it right out. But as long as it's being protected from the cold, it's good for your ends.
Yes, we foolishly went out with our froze the other day.
Oh
Like,
my god.
It wasn't like just chilly. It was cool. And the wind was blowing. And there was a tornado. Like, it was mad. Okay, not a real tornado, but you know what I'm saying? Same thing. And our hair was just blowing. I just felt like an abusive parent that just allowed their child to get...
The natural hair services
so
just took me away.
Well, basically, protect your hair. Fight the breakage. You late to the party.
Party. I didn't even know there was one. Why didn't you invite me?
You can't hate from outside club. You can't even get in.
Let go.
Tip number 4. One of my favorite tips is, like, we, as you know, have a very simple hair regimen. We just have water with the aloe vera juice, and we have some sort of moisturizer like the Cantu cream or something, and then we seal with Shea Butter usually. Like, that's our simple routine. But the one thing that has helped me through every winter is adding some Jamaican black castor oil right before sealing your hair. Like, that literally just makes your hair so soft. Like, I didn't do it last night, and my hair just like looks so flimsy, and I don't like it. But when the castor oil is on it before sealing, it just really like keeps that water in and just helps my hair. So that is our golden tip of the day. Living my life like it's golden, 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 living my life like it's living my life like.
Okay, she doesn't say that the whole song.
Yes, she does.
No, she don't.
That's why the song's called Golden. What you think? Is it silver?
Or is it green?
See, you just had to say something and it still sounds stupid.
Green the Grinch.
Tip number 5. We don't even know what it is, do you?
Deep condition your hair twice a month because your hair just needs the extra treatment, as your hair is just always dry.
We know it's hard, and it's hard to have that time to do it. We've done it in at least a month now, so we're due to do it at this moment. But your hair just needs that extra love because it's extra cold. What is that noise?
It sounds like bats. It sounds like bats. Oh my.
Grace, look outside.
What the F? I'm scared too. Is it bad?
Are we sisters or what?
Well.
And finally, guys, I know so many of my friends, peers, that think this is the time to use more heat on their hair. Please do not use heat on your hair, especially when it's cold. You're wasting your time, babes. Wasting your time. Mans don't wear no coat in it, and mans don't use no heat, bruh. Don't use heat. What is that? What is that?
A move you cannot do. Now don't even try.
Why would I want to try something stupid like that?
Yeah, you call it that, but my fans say they like that.
Oh,
I got the bars.
yeah, you do have bars. Yep. Oat bars, grain bars, nutritional bars, but you ain't got rap bars. Sauce.
You want to scrap?
Scrap.
Oh, what you get all prepared for? What you smelling all in the camera for? I know what you're doing. Stop it.
Stop, man. You're using film time.
You are.
As I was saying, using heat to stretch your hair isn't a good idea. Sometimes it is going to take a lot longer for your hair to dry now because it's cold. In your house, it may be colder and things like that, so it'll take longer. But it's worth just wearing a wig or, you know, doing something to wait till your hair is stretched rather than, you know, leaving your hair a bit damp and letting the air dry and stuff like that, because you can also catch more colds. And when you use the blow dryer and stuff, even with heat protectant, it's just not nice because you're going right back out into the cold, and it's going to be more rainy and snowy and stuff like that. So we say do not use your heat. If you want to steam your hair, that's fine, but like actually heating it to style it and stuff, no, 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 baby, no, 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 no.
You tell me I'm taking up film time. You putting your whole gig in it. So guys, these are just a little bit of tips for us. So if you have any other tips you want us to do, just leave a comment.
Yeah, guys, if you have anything you want to share, drop them below. We will have a read and pick some, and then we will put your comment right there in the video, and we'll say your name out loud because you deserve it and you're awesome. That's a shout out. So make sure you check us out on Instagram. We are always posting on Instagram really cool things for you guys, and we love you so much, and we just want to say thank you for all your support, and make sure you subscribe, like, comment, you know the deal. Thank you for watching.